Greetings all. I always talk about any projects with tokens, but I don't pay much attention to tokens themselves. In today's video, I would like to make an exception and talk about a project, where the token is the core of the project. I think this is an equally interesting topic, containing a bunch of interesting and great potential. And this project is called Hope Finance, which has an algorithmic token called Hope. Here, the algorithmic token Hope is pegged to 0.001 Satoshi of Ethereum cryptocurrency. And this token runs on the Arbitrum network, which is a second-tier solution for the Ethereum network, designed to increase the speed and scalability of the underlying blockchain. In this system, the Hope token serves as the backbone of a fast-growing ecosystem, aimed at providing liquidity and new use cases. And its price is also automatically regulated relative to the value of Ethereum. In general, as you understood, the distinctive feature of the Hope token is its binding to ETH. Hope Finance is leaning toward tying on a long-term basis, because it believes in the growth potential of the cryptocurrency ETH. Also, the Hope token seeks to make ETH the primary medium of exchange on the Arbitrum network, by providing a mirror liquid asset for ETH. Also, Hope Finance is a 3-token protocol. This is the main token Hope, which is represented as a medium of exchange. Here the built-in stability mechanism in the protocol aims to keep the Hope token tied, as I mentioned earlier in the video, to 0.001 Satoshi of ETH for the Arbitrum network token in the long run. Also, it is worth noting that the price of Hope token is not fixed at 0.001 ETH, and it is subject to change, because this token is actively pegged through a specific algorithm. The second token is a Hope Shares, or Dream token. The Dream token is one way to measure the value of the protocol and shareholder trust. During the epochal expansion, the protocol mints Hope tokens and distributes them proportionally to all Dream token holders, who have staked their tokens to the boardroom. Holders of such tokens have voting rights to improve the protocol. Also, the Dream token has a total supply of 70,000 tokens, which are distributed as follows. The 5,000 tokens will be vested linearly for the DAO, for 180 days. The 2,999 tokens are also being vested linearly, and this number of tokens is intended for the team, and this vesting will also take place over a period of 180 days. And the remaining 62,000 tokens are intended to incentivize liquidity providers in the two pools for the same 180 days. And the third token in the Hope Finance protocol is the Wish token, which is a Hope Bonds. The main function of Wish token is to help change the price in case the price of Hope token drops below 0.001 ETH. That's when the average price of a Hope token drops below the stated price, and the Wish token is issued, which can be bought for Hope at the current price. When a Hope token is exchanged for a Wish token, the Hope tokens are burned and thus removed from circulation, helping to bring the price back to its previous value. Also, unlike other algorithmic protocols, Wish tokens do not have expiration dates. You also have a leveraged trading option here, in their decentralized app, which is called Special Genesis here. That is, it means that you borrow funds from the site and trade. This is possible if the user do deposit an amount higher than the minimum. But it is important to know that for long positions you need to make a deposit to the pool USDC, and for short positions you need to make a deposit to the pool WETH. And already after you receive your winnings from the trade, you are charged 0.15% tax on your refund, and 5% tax on your winnings. Also, launching Special Genesis is a way to get initial liquidity for the Hope token. There will be a total of 4 pools for Genesis, and 30,000 Hope tokens will be allocated here, and they will be distributed in 7 days. 40% each on the WETH and USDC pools, and 20% on the Hope pool with the WETH LP. Also, leverage is available here at Dream Reward Pool. Here you have to do staking and pairing Hope with WETH, or pairing Dream with WETH. And as a reward, you get Dream tokens. Or you can make a deposit of WETH tokens or USDC currency, to also be rewarded with Dream tokens. There will be a 1% deposit fee, and there will also be 4 pools of 62,000 Hope tokens, launched here and distributed for 180 days, while the Dream Reward pool is active. 15% each on WETH and USDC, 40% on pairing Hope with a WETH LP, and the remaining 30% on pairing Dream with a WETH LP. Also, they have a very cool referral system. The commission for the deposit is divided with the referral. Let's say if your attracted user makes a deposit of more than the minimum trading amount, then you get 50% commission to your address, and I think this is a very generous offer. So gather a big team and earn even more, in addition to what you can earn in pools with leverage. There's also the Boardroom. And as for Boardroom, it's an honest-to-goodness launch of a liquidity mining project, aimed at creating a decentralized community and increasing prosperity. The Boardroom is divided into epochs, and one epoch lasts 6 hours. Depositing or withdrawing Dream tokens to, or from the Boardroom, or claiming rewards in Hope tokens, locks Dream tokens for 6 epochs, and rewards in Hope tokens for 3 epochs. The Hope tokens here are distributed as follows. 80% as a reward for Boardroom members for Dream token stackers, 18% goes to the DAO fund, and 2% goes to the Dev fund. Also, the Boardroom has an epoch expansion, where the current expansion limit is based on the supply of Hope tokens, if there are bonds to be redeemed. Also here, 65% of the minted Hope tokens goes to the treasury until it is full enough to redeem the bonds. And if there is no debt, it will match the maximum rate of expansion. Also, during an epoch expansion period, Boardroom will not issue a Hope tokens, until the weighted average price is less than the value of 1.01. Also, the Boardroom has a debt phase, that comes during periods of expansion that follow a period of contraction, during which there are still wishes that need to be repaid. And once the treasury is full for bond redemptions, the growth rate will return to normal. I think everyone will be no less interested in the mechanism of Wish token, that is the token, which is designed to stabilize prices. In general, as I said before, Wish tokens are available for purchase, when the price of Hope token falls below 0.001 ETH. And if the average price of the Hope token is between 1.00 and 1.1, neither the Wish token nor the Hope token will be issued. Accordingly, if the average price of a Hope token is greater than the 1.1 mark, there is a redemption incentive. Also, as the developer assures, you benefit from long-term holding of the Wish token. Since, the idea behind the Wish token, is that the Hope Finance platform intends to reward buyers for helping the protocol, as well as protect the protocol from manipulation by big players. Also, there's a DAO fund, controlled by the developers of Hope Finance, which conducts buybacks and acts as a reserve to help maintain the peg. Generally DAO, this is the second line of defense, and in the near future DAO will move to a management system for the use of funds in certain areas of the project. For example, when the average price of a Hope token is below 1, the DAO initiates a share buyback. Or in the opposite case, if the average price is extremely high, the DAO sells some of the Hope tokens. Also, at the discretion of the project team, the DAO can own a number of assets of Hope Finance. And also this fund can independently send investments to safe projects, to grow and earn income. Now let's look at the roadmap of the project. Well, I would like to note, that Hope Finance's goals look confident, and they can easily cope with them. In the near future, they plan to launch Genesis, that is leverage trading, they will also launch Dream Pool, and they will launch Boardroom. There will also be a Yield Wolf listing, there will be a second Fortune token, that will be pegged to the stable currency USDC. After that, is expected a second Genesis pool launch, and that's all in the second quarter alone. New openings are expected in the third quarter, such as LP nodes, NFT launches, NFT minting, NFT staking, and cross-chain expansion. So, to conclude my review, I want to say, that I really liked the project, especially I liked the features of its ecosystem. Also in terms of security they are at the highest level, as they passed 2 audits from well-known platforms, and also the developer of this project, has received KYC certificate. In general, The project is completely transparent and honestly performs its functions, which are designed to increase profits from your investments. Also, I would like to add that Hope Finance uses the best solutions to provide users with the best conditions. And I also want to add that this video is not some kind of financial guide, and I do not urge anyone to take any actions. I just make reviews of projects. All investments in crypto projects are quite risky, because cryptocurrency is not predictable, and here you can become a millionaire or lose everything in an instant. So, if you decide to invest in this or any other project, invest only those funds that you are not afraid to lose. Well, that's all. Thank you all for watching. Put your likes, leave your opinion about the project in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.